Hi there, welcome. I'm excited to be here with you. My presentation today will be over cybernetics. Cybernetics is a term that gets thrown around rather loosely these days. And when I see people throwing this term around, I say, hey, it's not a football. I think you'll find after my presentation today that we will be able to hone in a little more on what cybernetics consists of and maybe tighten up a little bit on the use of that word. Cybernetics is relevant to study of systems. Now, what kind of systems, you may be asking? I'm talking mechanical, physical, biological, cognitive, and social. Very intriguing on the social system. Wow, maybe this presentation should have been over cough drops. Am I right? He has a very serious condition.